What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess. Kicking off a Memorial Day weekend vlog at the Jersey Shore. I'm from New Jersey, so I live here. I think we're gonna actually head to the beach in a little bit after breakfast, walk around and enjoy the weather while it's still sunny. We're gonna go over to Avon-by-the-Sea and I want to check out Maeberrie Market because I'm always seeing people post about it and it just looks so cute. They're a sit-down restaurant, cafe. It's like breakfast brunch. It's kind of cloudy out. I don't think it's supposed to rain until later. This is one of my favorite tops to wear for the spring and summer. It's actually from Zara, but I purchased it used on Poshmark. And then I have these white flowy pants, which probably need to be ironed. And these are Abercrombie, but I got these off of Curtsy. Still been trying to thrift my clothes as much as possible. Back from walking around the beach and then going to Maeberrie Market, and it was a really cute spot. I would definitely recommend going there for a cute little breakfast or brunch or lunch. And then we went to a little ice cream shop that was down the street called Courtney's. Food was good. It's windy out, so we decided to come back home and we're gonna grill the chicken that we were marinating earlier. Next day now, Saturday, May 28th, had a little breakfast. I made a Kodiak waffle using the Kodiak cake mix and it's so good. I'm gonna run a few errands. I'm gonna go to Harmon's. I want to try to get like a new drugstore foundation maybe. And I think I'm also gonna go to Sephora because I want to try a new moisturizer. Currently, I'm using the CeraVe moisturizer. It just has my morning and night moisturizer. And I feel like it's fine. It's affordable. It works pretty good. But I've been hearing a lot of good things about the First Aid Beauty moisturizer. So I might get that. But yeah, I'm gonna go run some errands. I just got back and this is everything that I got from Harmon's and Sephora. I decided I would try out the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I got the 6-ounce jar. This was $38 plus tax, so it was about 40 bucks. And then from Harmon's, I just got all of this stuff and this all came out to about $50. The L'Oreal True Match Lumi. This was the lightest shade they had at Harmon's when I visited, so this one seemed pretty good. And then I also got the L'Oreal concealer. And I got this in the shade 325 Eggshell. This was the second to lightest shade, I believe. I got a NYX eye pencil. This is a taupe color. I thought this would be good to do a very subtle eyeliner or winged liner look. And I just got an orange, a bright orange nail polish that I thought would be good for summer. Pair of Rad News. I've never tried these Essie Expressi nail polishes, but I do like the other Essie Gel Couture and just regular Essies. This is the acne treatment that I use. I've been doing this for a little over 2 years now and I feel like it works pretty good for me. Get it at the drugstore. And then more Real Technique sponges. It's a super rainy day right now, pretty dreary for Memorial Day weekend, but I think tomorrow's supposed to actually look pretty good, so hopefully we'll get back to the beach. I think I'm just gonna do a little workout. My boyfriend's already working out. He's in the basement right now where we have a little gym equipment set up, so I think I'm just gonna go do that and see what else we do this rainy Saturday. just took a little body shower and that workout was so hard. I haven't really been training my legs, to be honest, in a while, so that felt really intense and it was only 15 minutes. I really recommend those Caroline Gervin videos because I feel like they really push you and challenge you, but they don't have to necessarily be that long or daunting, and I think I'm going to be really sore tomorrow from that. I'm going to try a little first impression of the Ultra Repair Cream now. First impression of this is that it is very thick. My skin feels pretty moisturized right now. I do like this. I'm going to keep using it just to get a more accurate idea of how I like this or not. I'm excited to keep using this. I painted my nails. We went to the park, took a walk. We're gonna go to Asbury Park. We're trying to eat at Talula's, which is my favorite pizza place. It's Sunday morning now. We had a really nice night going to Asbury and going to Talula's, getting some pizza, and we got ice cream. It was just a beautiful night. The weather was perfect. We're heading to Belmar Beach. Monday morning now. Yesterday was a lot of fun. It was just a really nice beach day. Weather actually ended up feeling really nice, even though it was saying it was only like 68 degrees at the beach. It literally felt perfect. The water was freezing, but we did go in the water for a little and we saw some friends. So it was just overall a really nice beach day in Belmar. And today we might actually go back to Belmar, meet up with some friends, just chill on the beach. It's supposed to be a little hotter today and just kind of enjoy the last day of this weekend. An update on that First Aid Beauty moisturizer. I've been loving it. I've been continuing to use it morning and night the last few days, and it just makes my skin feel so soft and moisturized, so I really enjoy that.